Oh no, the battery in my key fob has completely died. What do I do? Well, let me show you. So the best place to get one of these CR2032 batteries for your key fob would be from your local Honda parts department. So it would look like this. It would come in a little packet. And again, right there, the CR2032. Thanks. Okay, now that you have your key, what you're wanting to do is the little slider button on the back side. Take your thumb, pull that over, pull the key out, and naturally you're going to want to just take your thumbs and pull that open. But I gotta tell you, if you do that, you're calling for trouble because you're going to have pieces that look like this and end up with a key that looks like this. So what you need to do is take the end of the key, put that in that little slot right there on the end, put it in there like so. You'll know it's in there securely. Twist it back and forth really nicely. Then gently take that apart. You'll take the cover off, and then you want to put your thumb on top of the electronics here and hold the buttons together so those don't come out. So you have a key that looks like the other one. So then you're going to want to put your fingernail in the back side of the battery here. Battery up my thumb. So you're simply going to take the battery out. And again, it is a CR2032. So CR2032. Get your new battery from out of the container. You put the back side in first, snap it down nicely. Then take your key fob, make sure you get the back of it lined up just right, because that's kind of key. Make sure it's lined up just right there, lined up right on the sides. From the bottom up, kind of snap it back into place, and then you'll see it's all nice and tight all the way around perfectly. The buttons are all nice and fit perfectly. And then you simply take your key, put it back in the hole there, snap it in, and voila, you have a perfectly good working key. And you'll know it works because the light, you can see the light right there on the top, will come on. So there you go. Thank you. So there you have it, the proper way to change the dead battery in your Honda Civic. Greatly appreciate you watching. Please leave your comments below. Ask me any questions that you need to. And again, it's the CR2032 watch battery that you can get at your convenience store. Thanks for watching.